शनि, राहु एंड केतु. शनि, financial crisis. राहु, जागीरदारी क्राइसिस. केतु, मनसबदारी क्राइसिस. शनि, राहु एंड केतु. Hope everything was clear yesterday. The picture of Jagirdari system and Jagirdari crisis. The picture of Mansabdari system, Mansabdari crisis. So we were discussing about the contribution of rulers. Akbar initiated Jat and Sawar. Akbar initiated Jat and Sawar. Hope you are clear what and why. Jahangir initiated Duaspa and Siaspa. Jahangir initiated Duaspa and Siaspa. Now what is this Duaspa and Siaspa? Duaspa. Now Jahangir revolted against his father. And his son Khusro revolted against him. Jahangir revolted against his father and his son Khusro revolted against him. In this scenario, he required a strong support. Required a strong support by his sympathizers. Jahangir revolted against his father and his son Khusro revolted against him. He required a strong support from his father. He required a strong support from his sympathizers. And in this scenario, he took a smart move. Duaspa and Siaspa. What was Jat? Jat was rank or status, salary. Sawar, number of horsemen a Mansabdar has to maintain. Jat meant Sawar, Jat meant rank and salary. Jat meant rank and salary. Sawar meant number of horsemen a Mansabdar has to maintain. Now if you change Jat and Sawar both, salary, allowances, Now if you increase Jat and Sawar, if you increase Jat, you have to increase salary, you have to increase the rank. If you change Jat, what is Jat? Rank and salary. So if you are increasing Jat, you are increasing rank and salary. And after some time, if you decrease that Jat, that will be considered as demotion. Yes or no? Khalil? Khalil, you got the point? If you increase the Jat of a Mansabdar, that means you have increased rank and salary. And later on, if you bring down the Jat, that will be the decrease of rank and salary, and that will be considered as demotion. This is clear? So what he did, he made a provision for Sawar, Duaspa and Siyaspa. Were the provision for Sawar. Duaspa and Siyaspa were the provision for Sawar, not for Jat, Sawar. So if a Mansabdar has the Jat of 5,000, Sawar of 5,000, and he gets Duaspa, 5,000 into 2. Now he has to maintain 10,000 Sawars. Siyaspa, 15,000 Sawars. Change in Sawar rank without affecting the Jat. That is Duaspa and Siyaspa. Right? Change in Sawar rank without changing the Jat. So you have to strengthen your supporters, and you gave them the charge Duaspa. So their Sawar rank increased. And whenever your work is over, you'll cut it down. Clear? Right. This was the smart move of Jahangir. This was the smart move of Jahangir to strengthen his supporters. This was the strong move. This was the strong move of Jahangir to strengthen his supporters without giving unnecessary burden, to the state treasury. Without giving unnecessary burden to the state treasury. So Akbar, Jat and Sawar, Jahangir, Duaspa and Siyaspa, and then Shah Jahan, third contribution, Shah Jahan, which we discussed yesterday. The law of 1/3, 1/4 and 1/5. So first point is structure, second point contribution of emperors. First point structure, second point contribution of emperors, Third, management, recruitment and regulation. Management, recruitment and regulation. Management, recruitment and regulation. Theoretically, open for everyone. Theoretically open for everyone, but practically emphasis on racial status. Persian Mansabdar, Maratha Mansabdar, Rajput Mansabdars. Theoretically open for everyone. But still in army you have Jat regiment, Rajput regiment, Maratha regiment. Theoretically open for everyone, but practically emphasis on racial status. Salary in cash or kind. This I have explained. Salary in cash or kind. Salary for the soldiers was same throughout the empire. Salaries for the soldiers was same throughout the empire. Appointment was the monopoly of emperor, but natural. Appointment was the monopoly. Appointment was the monopoly of emperor. Monopoly of emperor in which the important role was also of Wazir, Diwan and Mir Bakshi. In which the important role was also of Wazir, Diwan and Mir Bakshi. Talent was the main basis of promotion. Talent was the main basis of promotion, but then commitment and genealogy were also important. But then commitment and genealogy were also important. Unique creation of Emperor Akbar. Unique creation of Emperor Akbar, which played a strong role in the consolidation of Mughal Empire. Unique creation of Emperor Akbar which played the strong role in the consolidation of Mughal Empire. Consolidation of Mughal Empire, dissatisfaction to control the dissatisfaction. Consolidation of Mughal Empire, providing the glimpse of a national army and a national ruler. providing the glimpse of a national army and a national ruler. So religious policy, Jagirdari system, Mansabdari system. 3 points, 3 headings are clear. Religious policy, Jagirdari system, Mansabdari system. So now next heading, land revenue policy of Akbar. Land revenue policy. We completed 3 headings: religious policy, Jagirdari system, Mansabdari system. Land revenue policy. Now, one of the very best part of Akbar was Akbar, and one of the very best part of every successful person is that his selection of the coterie is very good. One of the very important part of a successful person is selection of the coterie. So near my house in Gonda district there is a temple, and my father used to invite the priest of that temple on Saturday, Sunday, as per his convenience. He used to invite on food, and on that day we used to be cook good food and all. Well, extra good. Good was prepared every day on that day, extra good. Even today he does all these things. So I asked him, ki, why you invite him every week? And he comes and sits here for 3-4 hours. So he said, ki beta, every week when he comes and discusses the religious issues, when he tells about religion, so the positivity in me and my family increases. Now that priest who used to come, now he's an old man. By God's grace, possibly he has not faced enlightenment, but he had a good understanding level. And one of the important part of that priest is that whenever I ask the question to him, I never got irritated with him. Generally, I don't like priests of any religion. Like means I don't have any enmity with them, but I don't want to talk to them. Because discussion should be based on rationality. What is rationality? Whatever you are saying, you should provide the evidences. Like for example, if I ask a Maulana, ki Buddha is a Mussalman, he will say no. And that is absolutely wrong. If I ask Mahavir is a Mussalman, he will say no. Now if I ask a Pandit ki whether Muhammad is a Hindu and he says no, I will accept. Because he was not born beyond river Indus. Who is a Hindu? One who is born beyond river Indus. Jesus is a Hindu? No. He was not born beyond river Indus. But if I ask ki Muhammad is a Sanatani, yes. Jesus is a Sanatani, yes, because Jesus himself says ki I was present before Abraham. Discussion should be based on rationalism. Discussion should be based on respect of each other. If these two things are not present, then it is not a discussion. There should be no ego in discussion. Whenever a person puts ego in discussion, that is why you see aristocracy, they never discuss everything with everyone. Have you ever seen any IAS officer discussing with his driver? No. There may be some exceptions. If by chance you got a very rational and mature driver. In Allahabad, I have a Babaji. He was a SSP and his chaprasi was his guru. That is a big exception. And that too, SSP was a Yadav, guru was a Musalman. So there are certain parameters. And I said a very strong aspect of Akbar, not only Akbar, all the successful people. Chandragupta, Vikramaditya, Alauddin Khilji, Samudragupta, Akbar. If you just draw a map of successful rulers, Ashoka. Who's the guiding force? Moggaliputtis. He relies on him, he listens to him. Alauddin Khilji, Alaul Mulk, Akbar, Birbal is the most famous man, Man Singh, Todermal, the revenue expert in his gang. And if you see the failures, Tsar Nicholas II, a very idiot type of advisor. Rashputin, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, he did not listen to anyone. Aurangzeb, useless advisors, useless. Education is to learn to understand to become great. जितनी समझदारी तुम्हारी बढ़ती चली जाएगी, बस एक ही चीज जिंदगी में बढ़ाना है. The one and only thing which you have to improve in your life is your understanding. The one and only thing which you have to improve in your life is your understanding. And as your understanding will go on increasing, your growth in your life will also go on increasing. Simple. ना पैसे की जरूरत है, ना पढ़ाई की जरूरत है. Both are subsidiary. बाबा रामदेव, सदगुरु, कलाम, पैसा नहीं था. But if you see their assets today, except Kalam, APJ Kalam has a spiritual asset. तुम्हें बस एक चीज बढ़ानी है every day. The one and only thing on which you have to work is your understanding, your maturity. You see, what happened yesterday? Yesterday, the thing which happened, that it is such a technical topic. If you would have talked to any of your friend having history optional, who has already prepared, sir, you would have been surprised. If you would have talked to anyone who is having medieval India in post graduation in India, rarity of rare. In my teaching career of past 20 years, I met a student from Kashmir University who was able to explain this to me. 20 years, only one person. Only one person from Kashmir University. And I asked him, was this explained by your teacher? He said, no sir, my father. Many of you must not have been going through arts, BA honors and all. You talk to the students of post-graduation. Why our students, why our youth has lost interest in studying? Interest in studying develops only when you start connecting, and because of that connection you start understanding. Interest in studying starts increasing when you start connecting, and that connection leads to understanding. And this connection and understanding, you see the word adhyan and manan. Adhyan, you read something. You read something, and then manan means connecting. Today what is happening? This is missing. In today's education policy, what you are told? Take a pencil, underline. And as you are not able to think and connect your syllabus, and as you are not able to think your syllabus, what you are thinking? Your life, your friends, your future. We failed to engage our youth. We failed to engage our youth on positive front. India failed. That is the only failure of India. Economic is not a failure. And then you are criticizing them. Today's youth, they only bother about girlfriend and boyfriend. They will bother. Because mind has to be engaged somewhere. Mind has to be engaged somewhere. Those who are lucky, those who had good parents, those who got good teachers, those who got good friends, especially parents. I am very lucky. In case of parents, especially my father. Whatever I will do in my life, good and great, the main reason will be my father. He created curiosity. Curiosity. You don't mug up, beta, please. Company, see, all of us, see, all of us, all of us. You know, when I'm staying outside, yesterday I was sitting in Next IS, and I said to Mr. B. Singh, I take class from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. He said, what? 4 a.m.? I said, yes. He said, who's coming in your class? Is anyone coming? I said, anyone? Entire class. Entire class. And I said, sir, I inform you that this is done by my students only. They only said, majority of them, give sir morning class, 4 a.m. to sir. I said, I simply said in a joke. Possibly they took it seriously. Company. And you see, if you start a day with the good thoughts, good vibrations, good discussion, this is what our parents used to say repeatedly. Wake up early in the morning, study for 10 hours early in the morning. Company is very important. Group is very important. Gang is very important. And Akbar is having that gang. He listens to that gang. Present situation, if you see, most of the teachers suffer from ego in this country. If you ask question, they feel offended. 95% teachers think company. I was giving you the example of company, group. Definitely. I am thankful to my family, especially to my wife. She gets up at 4 a.m. And she said yesterday, यार लॉकडाउन ही ठीक था. Now, first point, preface. Shershah's land revenue policy was a scientific land revenue policy. Scientific, SCIEN, na? Scientific land revenue policy, scientific. Shershah's land revenue policy was scientific. Scientific policy. We'll do a comparison. Akbar's land revenue policy was Pragatishil. See how a word, when you talk about means, I say three things. Three things are important in answer writing. Let me complete first paper. I'll give you model answers. Three things are important: reference and context, evidences, and expression. Re. Mains is based on re. First is reference to the context. Don't go outside the context. Find out what is the context. Reference. 90% people take the word, they forget the context. Evidences. Whatever you are saying, corroborate with evidences. Expression. Three things. Reference and context, evidences, expression. If these three things are present, and this will develop only by practice. All of you have to write at least minimum 500 answers. Minimum. Whenever you are not studying, write. Whenever you are not reading, write. Write every day. 10 pages per day will make you an IAS officer. 10 pages. Make it as your religion. That 10 pages, I tell you a very scientific formula. You can study without thinking. You can never write without thinking. Gandhiji followed the stunt in non-cooperation movement. Stunt. Gandhiji followed stunt in non-cooperation movement. Evidence. When he says, Swaraj in 1 year. That is evidence of what? Stunt. So I am saying Gandhiji followed stunt in non-cooperation movement. Evidence of using this word stunt. He said Swaraj in 1 year. That man knew that government is not listening to the suffering of the people, and they will give Swaraj. So that was a political stunt of Gandhi. Expression. So Sher Shah's policy, scientific policy, and Akbar's policy, progressive come scientific. See, this word is very valuable. Expression. Progressive comes scientific. Now these two words, one scientific, one progressive comes scientific, that means there is one thing common. Both the policies are scientific. What is additional? Progressive. This we have to clarify. This progressive. This is already clear कि यार साइंटिफिक मतलब कुछ सेम होगा. प्रोग्रेसिव, द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर विल बी सेम. मेजरमेंट होगा, बिल्कुल होगा, बट देयर मस्ट बी सम न्यू एलिमेंट इन इट. साइंटिफिक, अब देखो साइंटिफिक, बोथ आर साइंटिफिक means basic parameter will be same. Measurement is a basic parameter. Classification of land, basic parameter. MSP, basic parameter. Patta and Kubuliyat, basic parameter. Revenue department, basic parameter. This will be same. But in all these things, whatever Sher Shah has done, there will be a new element. In all these things, whatever Sher Shah has done, there will be a new element, and that new element will be progressive. एक तो सूरत प्यारी ऊपर से गुस्से की लाली, और बचना है दिल आज है कोई बिजली गिरने वाली. आधी लाइन सुनाई थी कल. एक तो सूरत प्यारी ऊपर से गुस्से की लाली, और बचना है दिल आज है कोई बिजली गिरने वाली. तो गिराई बिजली. द कनेक्शन बिटवीन मनसबदारी एंड जागीरदारी. नेक्स्ट लाइन, ये बिजली गिरी तो तुम्हें भी गिरेगी, जा प्यार करने वाले तेरी खैर नहीं. ये बिजली गिरी तो तुम्ही पे गिरेगी. कैसे? सी, you were mugging up all these things. Sher Shah's land revenue policy, scientific policy. Akbar's also scientific, means basic parameters are same, but in all these basic parameters there will be a new element which will be progressive. Now what we have to do? We know the basic parameters, so what we have to find out? We have to find out new elements which are progressive. There are many elements. शुक्र करो कि पड़े नहीं है मेरी माँ के डंडे, और एक हाथ में हो जाते अरमान तुम्हारे ठंडे. माँ को भी समझाना. See the dareness of the actor. माँ को भी समझाना, बस इतना बताना हम प्यार करने वाले हैं, कोई गैर नहीं. समझाना है, मां को भी समझाना. Who's the ma here? Examiner. IS is tough, whose minds are dead. IS is game, whose minds are alive. You tell me one thing, all of you. Do you feel that your optional is heavy? Now I can say with guarantee and assurance that history is the easiest option. Once you understood, there is nothing to mug up. When I said this in the first class, you would have thought that this is a gimmick to attract. Your essay, you are preparing essay also. Now when you will write essay on agriculture, technological development, society, you see, you are getting a broad perspective for essay, condition of woman, social development, caste system. सर तुम्हारा ऐसे प्रिपेयर हो रहा है. You see the changes in you? Essay, the chart which I gave you yesterday, agricultural economy. औरंगजेब ने डुबो दिया, औरंगजेब ने डुबो दिया. कैसे डुबोया? नहीं, औरंगजेब ने मंदिर तोड़ डाला. अरे बदतमीज, मंदिर से साम्राज्य डूबता है, मंदिर से साम्राज्य डूबता है. 90% Hindus of this country, they talk about temple. If you take the name Aurangzeb, हाँ भैया मथुरा का मंदिर गिराया था वो. अरे तो इंदिरा गांधी ने भी तो गोल्डन टेम्पल गिराया था, ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार. Dozens of temple has been shattered under Yogi ji's rule. See, now basic framework of land revenue policy is clear. Basic diagram is clear. Basic diagram is clear. It is a scientific policy. Both of them opted a scientific policy, but Akbar says progressive. So what is a new element in measurement? What is a new element in classification? What is a new element in MSP? What is a new element in Patta and Kabuliyat? What is a new element in revenue department? Take out those new elements and tell to Mr. Modi, कि sir, this is the formula, sir. If you want to construct a new Taj Mahal, Modi sir, so you want money? You want money? So farmer community is to be richest. तो एक तो सूरत प्यारी, ऊपर से गुस्से की लाली, और बचना है दिल आज है कोई बिजली गिरने वाली. वो तो कल मैंने कहा था, आज क्या है कि ये बिजली गिरी तो तुम ही पे गिरेगी. So first point, progressive and scientific policy by Akbar. Second point, emphasis on experimentation. This is the second point. Emphasis on experimentation. He's experimenting. He's inviting the good revenue officers. First one, first experiment, Atmad Khan. First experiment done by Atmad Khan, and in 1563 he implements the Japti system of Sher Shah. Japti system based on measurement. First experiment by Atmad Khan, 1563, he introduces Japti system, but it failed because of internal challenges. But it failed because of internal challenges. Second experiment, Muzaffar Khan. 1564. but it cannot complete because during it Uzbek revolt. This experiment was incomplete because during this experiment there was Uzbek revolt. Uzbek. Third, Shihabuddin Khan. Third experiment under Shihabuddin Khan, 1569, based on Nashk and Kankut. Assumption कि बताओ कितना, बोले 40 रुपए, बोले 40 दे दो. But this was not going to succeed. The agriculture which depends upon the monsoon and the country where monsoon is dicey. Assumption will be very suicidal. Note it down. The country where agriculture depends upon monsoon, the country where agriculture depends upon monsoon and monsoon is dicey, in that country policy of assumption will be suicidal, both for the state and the people. In that country policy of assumption will be suicidal for both the state and the people. Not only monsoon, अब टिड्डियों ने आक्रमण कर दिया, पूरी फसल खा गए. You see the present condition of villages. सर एनिमल्स ने तबाही मचा रखी गांव में इस वक्त. नील गाय, गाय, बैल, पिग्स. अब खटिक समाज एससी में आता है. अब उनके अब वो पिग्स का काम करते हैं. The pigs entered into your land. They ate up all wheat. आपने उन्हें मार दिया, उन्होंने जाके एफआईआर लिखवा दिया, एससी एक्ट लग गया. नीलगाय has entered into your sugarcane field. पूरी sugarcane साफ कर गई. You cannot kill, it's a crime. गाय बैल को तो आप टच ही नहीं कर सकते. अभी गेहूं कितना अच्छा तैयार है. You see the wheat crop in the fields nowadays. Oh, God forbid, if the hailstorm comes, अगर ओले पड़ जाए किसान बर्बाद हो जाए. जितनी ठंडक चाहिए थी गेहूं को मिल गई, अब धूप चाहिए पकने के लिए. Fourth, Todormal. He did the experiment in Gujarat 1570-71, and his Gujarat experiment was a grand success. He did the experiment in Gujarat, and his Gujarat experiment was a grand success. Gujarat experiment was a grand success. So in 1582 he was appointed in 1582 he was appointed as the chief diwan of Mughal Empire. 1582 he was appointed as the chief diwan of Mughal Empire. With the right to promote the Gujarat experiment. With the right to promote the Gujarat experiment, and this led to the birth of, with the right to promote Gujarat experiment, and this led to the birth of This led to the birth of Aine Dehshala. This led to the birth of Aine Dehshala. Now write down the third point, features of Aine Dehshala. Features of Aine Dehshala. तो फीचर्स में क्लियर है, 5 पॉइंट। फर्स्ट इज मेजरमेंट। Who started? Alauddin Khilji. What was the unit? Biswa. Who started? Alauddin Khilji. What was the unit? Biswa. We don't have much information other than this. Who gave promotion? Sher Shah. He uses Gaj-e-Sikandari. Gaj-e-Sikandari, which was 3/4 of the present meter. What was used as a medium of measurement? Rope. What was used as a medium of measurement? Rope. What was the standard area of measurement? Bigha. What was used as medium of measurement? Rope. What was the standard instrument? Gaj-e-Sikandari. What was the instrument? Gaj-e-Sikandari, 3/4 of the present meter. What was the medium? Rope. What was the standard area? Bigha. Standard medium, standard instrument, standard area. ऐसे कर लो यार, और क्लियर रहेगा। स्टैंडर्ड इंस्ट्रूमेंट, स्टैंडर्ड मीडियम, स्टैंडर्ड एरिया। गज-ए-सिकंदरी, मीडियम रोप, एरिया बीघा। शाहरुख खान साहब की कुछ बातें मुझे बड़ी अच्छी लगती है, हालांकि एज अ एक्टर मैं उन्हें प्रेफर नहीं करता। लाइक डिसलाइक की बात नहीं है, प्रेफरेंस। एक्टिंग सबकी बस की बात भी नहीं है। इट्स नॉट, पैसा कमाना एक अलग बात है, ऐसे तो कुमार विश्वास का बड़ा नाम है, बट साहित्य की जो गहराई है ना, द डेप्थ ऑफ लिटरेचर, he is a man who has promoted Hindi literature in India, no doubt. बट निराला नहीं है, होता है ऐसा। बहुत योग्य लोग दुनिया में बहुत कुछ अचीव नहीं कर पाते, और उनसे कम योग्य बड़ी ऊंचाई पे पहुंच जाते हैं। एंड दिस पजल and this becomes a puzzle for the masses. This becomes a puzzle. जैसे मेरे साथ जो लोग रहते थे तो कहते थे मनोज चौरसिया को तुम्हारे साथ रहता था आईएएस बन गया। अब तुम्हारे अंदर कमी क्या है? उसकी समझदारी ज्यादा थी। एक और इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड जो मैं चाहता हूं तुम अपनी डायरी में लिख लो। Another important word which I want you to write in your diary is understanding. First important word, meditation. Don't do anything. If you are going for a robbery, be cautious, aware. Whatever you are doing now in your life, just become aware. You are sitting, become aware. Come on your breathing. Leave the foot relaxed. If you watch after every 5 minutes, if you turn your attention towards your foot becomes tight. You know why? Because foot is directly related to mind. That is why pressing the foot gives you relaxation. They say all the nerves of mind are on the foot. Correct. So when you are stressed here, your foot is tight. You see, if you would have left, you will be feeling relaxed. So whenever you press the foot of a person, his entire attention is on the foot. These nerves get relaxed. कहते पैर का तलवा दबाने से बीपी कम होता है। हो गई। The moment you rush to the foot, your pressure here comes down. Try करके देखो. The first word which I am giving you, meditation. The second word which I am giving you, understanding. अब देखो लॉ ऑफ कनेक्टिविटी का खेल देखो. अब अगर तुम पढ़ते, what was your mistake when you were preparing earlier? You studied Sher Shah separately, Akbar separately. You never tried to find out the difference between Sher Shah and Akbar. अब एक दिमाग में तुम्हारे बात रहेगी साइंटिफिक एंड प्रोग्रेसिव साइंटिफिक. Now this is scientific. This is scientific. Now this is scientific. What Akbar would have done? The new elements. Now see the new elements here. Akbar's new elements. Akbar's new elements. Here, Gaj-e-Ilahi. Gaj-e-Ilahi. Gaj-e-Sikandari changes to Gaj-e-Ilahi. Gaj-e-Ilahi. Approximately of present meter. जितना आज 1 मीटर है उतना ही था. Approximately of present meter. Made up of bamboo sticks. What is the difference between rope and bamboo? In rope, manipulation is very easy. You can suppress an inch, 2 inches. Farmers are illiterate. Patwari? But here, bamboo sticks. Standard area, बीघा. Come, village. बस न्यू एलिमेंट्स, क्लियर, पॉइंट इज क्लियर. कभी रटना ही नहीं. एक तो सूरत प्यारी, ऊपर से गुस्से की लाली, बचना ए दिल आज है कोई बिजली गिरने वाली. ये बिजली गिरी तो तुम ही पे गिरे. कुछ रटना ही नहीं. देखो क्या रटना है यार, यही मेंस में पूछ लेगा. वो मेंस में ही विल ट्राई टू नो कि यू हैव डेवलप्ड दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग एज अ पॉलिसी मेकर और नॉट. यही था. लैंड रेवेन्यू सिस्टम बेस्ड ऑन मेजरमेंट ऑफ लैंड. देखो तो मेंस क्वेश्चन विल से Akbar introduced progressive elements in land revenue policy, which became the strong base for the prosperity of the state and the people. Comment. देखो, first point. Second point, classification of land. No information about Alauddin Khilji. No information about Alauddin Khilji. Sher Shah. Classification of land on the basis of fertility. Good, middle, and bad. एक क्वेश्चन पूछे. One question. Akbar's measurement was based on Sher Shah's classification was based on fertility. Akbar's classification was based on, if you cannot answer, slap yourself. जो छुप गया है पहली नजर का पहला सलाम लेकर, जीता हूं आज अब मैं उसी का उसका ही नाम लेकर. जो छुप गया है पहली नजर का पहला सलाम लेकर, जीता हूं आज अब मैं उसी का उसका ही नाम लेकर. मेरे हजारों दीवाने अब मैं खुद बन गया दीवाना. मेरे हजारों दीवाने अब मैं खुद बन गया दीवाना. ये वक्त तुम पे आ जाए प्यार में तो ये गीत गाना. सिंग ओम शांति ओम शांति शांति ओम. गाना तुम अपना चैनल बदलो 92.7, मेरा चैनल लगाओ. मैंने किसी को दिल दे के कर ली रातें खराब देखो, आया नहीं अभी तक उधर से कोई जवाब देखो. वो ना कहेंगे तो खुदकशी भी कर जाऊंगा मैं यारो. वो ना कहेंगे तो खुदकशी भी कर जाऊंगा मैं यारो. वो हाँ कहेंगे तो भी खुशी से मर जाऊंगा मैं यारो. तो क्या है मैडमीटर? कंटिन्यूटी. कंटिन्यूटी. वो ना कहेंगे तो खुदकशी भी कर जाऊंगा मैं यारो. वो हाँ कहेंगे तो भी खुशी से मर जाऊंगा मैं यारो. ये देखो कंटिन्यूटी एनसीईआरटी में लिखा है. आंटी तुम सब दादी कहने वाले लोग हो. In fixing the land revenue, continuity of cultivation was taken into account. ये देखो. And the land was divided into continuity of cultivation. अरे ला 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 बेकार का ड्रामा है, झूठी ये कहानी है। लड़की तू भी कुछ कम नहीं, इन सब की तू नानी है। Akbar's classification of land was based on continuity of cultivation. पोलज, परती, छाछर, बंजर। This is scientific. This is progressive come scientific. पढ़ो बाबूजी पढ़ो, गाने चेंज करो, सब बड़े टेक्निकल टॉपिक हैं मेडिवल इंडिया के। पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड लैंड रेवेन्यू पॉलिसी, और क्वेश्चन वहीं पे आ रहे हैं, एंड दैट टू थीमेटिक। कैसे लिखोगे मेंस में? कबीर कपड़ा बुनकर, कबीर कपड़ा बुनकर इनलाइटेंड हो गया, और ये बड़े बड़े पंडित और मौलाना दिल में है ख्वाहिशे हूर जन्नत, दिल में है ख्वाहिशे हूर जन्नत, और जाहिर में शौके इबादत। दिल में है ख्वाहिशे हूर जन्नत, और जाहिर में शौके इबादत। बस हमें शेख जी आप जैसे अल्लाह वालों से अल्लाह बचाए। दिल में है ख्वाहिशे हूर जन्नत, और जाहिर में शौके इबादत। बस हमें शेख जी आप जैसे अल्लाह वालों से अल्लाह बचाए। आप जानते हो उसने क्या किया? अब उसने क्या किया? नाउ इन शेरशाह's टाइम दिस मैन वाज सफरिंग। This man was suffering in comparison to him, and this man was suffering in comparison to him. Yes or no? Banjar, no cultivation. These three types were again divided into three. Polaj, Parti, Chachar were again divided. Good, middle, bad. Good, middle, bad. Good, middle, bad. Their average was taken, their average, their average. क्या बात है, आहा हा हा। अ वेरी बिग चैलेंज। ये देखो, ये बच गया। प्रोग्रेसिव, दिस इज प्रोग्रेसिव, दिस इज प्रोग्रेसिव, द न्यू एलिमेंट। देखो क्लियर सेकंड पॉइंट। रटना ही नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं रटना। मॉडर्न इंडिया में तो एक से एक कैरेक्टर है। गांधी, भगत सिंह, मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना। तुमको जिन्ना की ऐसी ऐसी कहानियां सुनाऊंगा ना, मस्त हो जाओगे। जिन्ना बड़ा जबरदस्त आदमी था। जिन्ना, गाली कोई किसी कैरेक्टर को नहीं देगा। Here in this part, this man is in hell. Fertility and continuity. The land in which every year cultivation is being done, that is highly fertile. So if this man is controlling Polish type of land, so X, Y and Z, in Sesha system, X is having Polish land and Y is having Parthi land. Then in my village, I have three types of land. One is in extreme Tarai, the lake region, which is highly fertile for sugarcane and rice. अब जिसके पास पोलज है, पोलज और पार्थी, अब जिसके पास पोलज एवरेज जो है, जो डिफिशियंसी बहुत कम हो जाएगी, खत्म तो नहीं होगी. Here only polage, classification only between polage. Here classification on all types of land is same. This is the difference. Classification on all type of land is same. Continuity is not taken into consideration. तो ये तो मर जाएगा बेचारा. अरे यार, if the average of all the three will be taken, फिर तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं हुआ. If the average of all the three will be taken together, ईचक दाना, बीचक दाना, दाने ऊपर दाना, measurement, classification. यहां उसके पास 9 type of land है, 9. यहां only 3 type of land. 3 type of land. Here 9 types of land. Progressive elements of progressive elements. Third, हुजूरे आला जो होगी इजाजत तो हम ये सारे जहां से कह दे, तेरी इन अदाओं पे मरते हैं हम, ये सच है तुम्हें प्यार करते हैं हम. क्यों क्यों? थर्ड पॉइंट, यूनिट्स ऑफ different rates. Sorry, units of different systems. हुज़ूर आला जो होगी इजाजत तो हम ये सारे जहां से कहते. Alauddin, not clear. Sher Shah, not developed. बड़ा अच्छा काम किया शेर शाह ने, रे. बट अकबर, आहा, Alauddin, not clear. Sher Shah, ray system, very big achievement of Sher Shah. But हुजूर आला गर होती इजाजत तो हम ये सारे जहां से कहते, तेरी इन अदाओं पे मरते हैं हम, ये सच है तुम्हें प्यार करते हैं हम। हमें लोग कहते हैं मौलाना अवध ओझा, मौलाना मुसलमानों का बहुत सपोर्ट करता है। मैं इस्लाम का पैरोकार हूं, मुसलमानों से मुझे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है। मैं राम का पैरोकार हूं, हिंदुओं से मुझे कुछ भी लेना देना नहीं है। I will raise the flag of Islam and Ram. I have nothing to care about Hindus and Muslims. राम से मुझे प्यार है, आदर्श है हमारे। Because he tells the formula. He not only tells, he follows. He is not a preacher, he is a demonstrator. He tells the formula to become God. तभी तो मैं तुमसे कहता हूं, लीव द कंफर्ट जोन, साइकिल से चलो, साइकिल से, ऑल ऑफ यू। लोग देखेंगे साइकिल से, बघेल साहब का बेटा साइकिल से चल रहा है। मैं दशरथ का बेटा जंगल में रह सकता है, तो बघेल का बेटा साइकिल से नहीं चल सकता। If the son of Dashrath can spend 14 years in jungle, then the son of Mr. Baghel can also go on cycling. Dahiya is having two Fortuners. Akbar. लिखा होगा progressive and amazing units of different system, unit of taxation, unit of measurement, unit of taxation, unit of MSP, minimum support price, unit of measurement, village, unit of taxation, Pargana, group of villages, unit of measurement, village. This village has so much land, so much this type of crops, this type of land. Telling about type of crops, telling about type of land. Land under cultivation. Now it will become very easy for the state to make the policies for village upliftment. Now it will become very helpful for the state to make possible policies for villages upliftment. Now the state will be clear, this number of villages, 20,000 villages, which are developed, which are developing, which are backward, and why. It will be very easy for the state to frame the policies according to villages. Parganas, group of villages. Cultivable land, land under cultivation. How much land is under cultivation? And if any land is left, why? Why? Taxation on the basis of Pargana. Pargana. And here, average price of the crops of past 10 year, 6-year high production, very high, 4-year low production, very high and low. 1/3 of the average produce of the average produce was state share. Average price of crops, different. Wheat, rice, sugarcane of past 10 years. आमतौर पर फसलें बहुत अच्छी होती हैं. 1/3 of the average produce was the state share. And the state demand was stated in cash, right, and in box. The state demand was stated in cash. The state demand was stated in cash. By converting that share into the average price, by converting that share into the average price of past 10 years, नहीं समझ में आया? वीट का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. टू 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. Average produce 2 per बीघा, 2 kg per बीघा, 3 kg per बीघा, 6 kg per बीघा, 1 kg per बीघा, 2 kg per बीघा. Five, 11, 12, 14. Average produce of 5 years, 2.8 kg per बीघा will be the produce. मैं 5 साल का निकाल रहा हूं, वो 10 साल का निकलवाता था. (2012) rupees 1 per kg, rupees 4 per kg, rupees 3 per kg, rupees 2 per kg, rupees 6 per kg, rupees 4 per kg, 12, 14, 20, 24. Average produce, average of the produce and average of the price, both was taken. Average of the produce and average of the price. Was taken, and this became normal for farmers. अब यहां 6 kg पर बिका हुआ है, प्राइस कम हो गई। अब इस प्राइस पे टैक्स लगेगा 2 रुपए पर केजी पे, लेकिन यहां तो किसान मारा जाएगा। Here, this one, in this year, farmer will be happy. Price is low, tax will be low. In this year, price is more, kisan will be unhappy. That problem is also ended. Average. Diagram is in front. So farmer is not in fear. Farmer is not in fear about the rise or downfall of the taxes. Leave luxury goods. We are talking about agriculture, land revenue. Why to bring luxury goods here? किसी साल टैक्स ज्यादा देना है, कम देना है. फार्मर इज आउट ऑफ फियर. एवरेज एवरी ईयर इट वॉज कम्यूटेड, एवरी ईयर, हर साल. दैट इज व्हाई आईने दहशाला वॉज नॉट फॉर 10 years. आईने दहशाला कि 5 साल अच्छी फसल, 5 साल बुरी फसल, तो भी किसान को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. If production will be high in 5 years and low in 5 years, then also farmer will not be in trouble. I am coming to this point. For measurement, village was the unit. For taxation, pargana. For MSP, dastur. Greatest contribution. For MSP, dastur. That is areas with same prices for a crop. Areas with same prices for a crop. Areas with same prices for a crop. So wheat is cheap in Punjab. Wheat is cheap in Punjab. Wheat is costly in Tamil Nadu. Wheat is cheap in Punjab, wheat is costly in Tamil Nadu. This will be called as, so Tamil Nadu and Punjab will be different dasturs. The MSP for wheat will be different in Punjab and Tamil Nadu. Dastur. Areas with same prices for a crop. This was not done by Sher Shah. Here the price was of, MSP price was of Royal Camp. And prices of commodities in Delhi are very different from the different parts of the country. This was the biggest contribution of Akbar, Dastur. And in this way, measurement, taxation and MSP all were organized on a scientific basis. अब सरकार को पता है किस एरिया से कौन सा अनाज लेना है. अब पंजाब का गेहूं यहां ज्यादा है तो यहां पर अपने को कम रेट मिलेगा. तो अगर तमिलनाडु से गेहूं की डिमांड आ रही है, फार्मर वहां भेज देगा. यही बात टिकैत को समझ में नहीं आ रही. मैंने कहा ना, कोई बहुत बड़ा हिस्टोरियन मोदी जी को प्लान दे दिया. कॉटन फार्मर को महाराष्ट्र में कम कीमत मिलेगी, यूपी में बेच देगा. इसको कंसोलिडेट करो. आज इससे आगे नहीं जाएंगे, नहीं तो तुम बहुत गंदा वाला उलझ जाओगे. टैक्सेशन tomorrow we have to finish all the headings of Akbar and economy of medieval period.
ये बताओ तुम्हें ये क्लब कैसा लगा? अच्छा है, मगर चाचा जी, आपने तो कहा था कि ये क्लब अपने देश वालों का है. अपनापन तो यहाँ दिखाई नहीं दिया.
माय फुट, इंडियंस को अपनापन वहीं दिखाई देता है जहां मुरझाए हुए चेहरे और खाली पेट.
जी,
और नहीं तो क्या. यहाँ देखो, हर आदमी खुशहाल नजर आता है. न रोटी की फिक्र, न कपड़े का गम, और न घूंघट का झगड़ा. और एक तुम्हारा देश है मिस्टर, 4 रोटी में से 1 रोटी कर्जे की खाता है तुम्हारा देश.
वो देश आपका भी तो है.
गाली मत दो.
जी,
जो देश दूसरों के रहम और करम पर पल रहा हो, वो देश मेरा नहीं.
मेरा तो है.
होगा. तुम उसे अपना समझते हो जो मदद लेता है, मैं उसे अपना कहता हूं जो मदद देता है. तो तुम लोग जमीन से पेट भर अनाज नहीं निकाल सकते, अब लोग चांद तक पहुंच गए. है कोई मुकाबला?
जो चांद पे पहुंचे उनके सामने दुनिया ने सर झुकाया है.
सर झुकाने पर फख्र करते हो. है कोई ऐसी बात तुम्हारे देश की जिस पर के सर ऊंचा कर सको? नहीं. माय डियर बॉय, तुम्हारे देश ने कुछ नहीं दिया. इंडिया's contribution is 0, 0 and 0.
जब 0 दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने, दुनिया को तब गिनती आई. तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई. देता दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था। धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था। सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई, सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई, पहले जन्मी है जहाँ पे करा।
मेरा भारत वो
भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला, संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा, यूं आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया। भगवान करे ये और बढ़े, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले।
चुप क्यों हो गए?
चुप क्यों हो गए? और सुनो।
स्टैचू
जहाँ की रीत सदा
है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। हो 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 काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, हर दिल से हमारा नाता है। कुछ और ना आता हो हमको, हमें प्यार जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, मैं बात वही दोहरा भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। गीत सदा मैं हो किसी ने देश तो क्या, हमने तो दिलों को जीता है। राम अभी तक है नर में, नारी में अभी तक सीता है। पावन है मैं नित नित
शीश झुकाता हूँ।
भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात इतनी ममता नदियों को भी जहाँ माता कह के बुलाते हैं।
उस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया, उस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया। ये सोच के मैं इतराता हूँ।